Hello everyone. In the previous video, we taught you how to adjust the ignition timing, right? In this video, I will teach you how to adjust our machine to its optimal operating condition. First, since our machine's timing has all been adjusted properly, we need to check it again. We need to verify whether the ignition is functioning normally and whether the spark plug fires at the precise position. Now let's start the engine. First, open the carburetor valve by one turn. Because we don't know the fuel-to-air mixture ratio the engine needs, use your finger to pull out the governor device to make the engine run at normal speed. Use an electric drill to turn the flywheel. First, draw fuel into the cylinder, okay? Now turn on the power switch, and as before, use your hand to pull out the governor device. I'm not adjusting the speed right now. We can see the engine is producing a knocking effect, but to better show you how to adjust the engine's governor, First, disrupt both the governor and valve settings. Pay attention, this is the carburetor valve, which well used later. This step is crucial, okay? Now I'll disrupt the engine's knocking speed first. Now I need it to stop. This is the problem you'd normally encounter, where the engine stops mid-operation. The engine has stopped. All right, now I'll start teaching you how to adjust it. First, we fully close this valve. Fully closed. As mentioned in the earlier notes, because there's still unburned fuel in the cylinder, we close the valve and use the remaining fuel to start the engine, then start it again. When starting the engine now, it will burn the remaining fuel and reach its highest RPM. This will need to simultaneously open the carburetor valve. While the engine is still running, we adjust to maintain operation by opening the carburetor valve. Fine-tune the carburetor valve to make the engine run at its highest RPM. You can listen to the engine sound. This is the correct air-fuel mixture ratio the engine needs to run. Okay. Next, we can adjust the governor device, unscrew the governor nut, and adjust it counterclockwise. one notch at a time, according to the thread scale, until the engine reaches our desired speed state. Lock the governor nut securely. Now, this is the adjusted knocking effect. During operation, you can pull the governor device open by hand to check if the engine runs smoothly from low to high speed. It seems the engine has been adjusted to a perfect state. All right, enjoy your engine.